Well, happy 4th of July. Good Independence Day evening. Temperatures this afternoon are hot. 96 is the forecast high. Feels more like triple digits, right on that 100-degree mark, thanks to the humidity late today. Stay cool, drink plenty of water, add that into your drink rotation. If you don't, could be some consequences. We stay hot all the way into the evening. Temperatures don't fall out of the 80s until midnight. So if you're out watching fireworks, it's going to be a beautiful evening, but we hang into the upper 80s through about 9 o'clock. So it's going to be warm and muggy. That isolated rain chance that you see, those 10% chances for storms, that's primarily south of Highway 50 and to the east of Jefferson City, but we could see that activity reach as far north as California and Jefferson City. It's very isolated, very hit and miss through the afternoon. Download the ABC 17 Storm Track weather app if you're not already watching on the app. It'll help you stay aware of the activity around you if you're trying to plan any outdoor activities. It'll actually let you know if there are storms nearby if you turn your location services on. But really, that activity is going to be best to the south. You see better returns showing up on our future track. That's likely some stronger storms. Still, severe risk today looks low. If anything, it should likely stay southeast of I-44, so out of mid-Missouri. Our next chance for any kind of strong storm is going to come from the activity Wednesday morning. We'll likely be watching a line of storms approach early tomorrow morning, late tonight, and that may bring an isolated strong storm near Warsaw, Sedalia, but realistically, this has been a consistent trend that the activity is going to be focused mostly south and west of mid-Missouri, and really that's weakening as it arrives. We're kind of looking at not a favorable environment already in mid-Missouri for these storms. We're also looking at not favorable timing. This really rolls through during the morning, which is not great, because by the time we get to the heat of the day, the actual environment for storms is out ahead of that front to our east. So any redevelopment looks like it's going to be east of us, so timing is not very favorable for strong or severe storms. The risk there, even if we do see that timing slow down a bit for our eastern counties, is going to be very low. So we're going to keep tracking this, and we'll bring you an update as we get throughout the evening. But right now, we're not issuing an ABC 17 Storm Track Weather Alert Day, largely for that reason. Timing and conditions just don't look that favorable. Heading into the next couple of days, we're going to be cooling behind that rain, that cold front that brings the chance for rain on Wednesday. Again, it's not going to be a washout, but the cold front still pushes through. It's going to drop us into the 80s, or feels like temperatures in the low 80s, really cooling us down. We're feeling great. Still Wednesday, it's going to be a bit muggy until that front moves through. Long term, scattered storm chance, it's long gone by the time we get to Thursday, but this high pressure to our south and west, that's going to set up over Texas, and just on the northern ridge of that, here's our jet stream setting up shop. That's going to bring us a rainy, active pattern. We'll likely see wave after wave Saturday, Sunday, maybe even Monday. And that'll do two things for us. That'll bring us wetter conditions. Our precip outlook for the next 6 to 10 days, trending above average in terms of rain chances. So you see the green, that's chances of a wetter than average forecast. The browns, chances of a drier than average forecast. We're on the wet side of things. Again, just on the north side of that heat dome. But we're close enough to that heat dome that, well, above average temperatures, they're not that far away. Still in the forecast, I've got us trending below average. We've got 80s in the forecast again through the weekend, 84 Saturday, upper 80s by Sunday. And again, we may start to feel the influence from that heat ridge heading into early next week with temperatures approaching the 90-degree territory.